This video is going to show you how to use Google Docs to set up an assignment turn-in form. So the first thing we're going to do is going to click Create and Form. Now I want to know who is turning it in, so I require them to sign in, and I automatically collect their username. Just a little extra piece of information. I do usually allow users to edit responses. That way, if they realize at the last second, oh, I made a mistake, they can go back and fix that. It's usually not a problem. That's at your discretion. So I'm just going to call this assignment check-in. You probably, since you'll be doing this on different assignments, you may want to give different, more specific titles for that, but you can give them a title. You can also type in some information here to give more specific directions about the assignment or checking it in, but it's not entirely necessary. I like to start off by asking them what period they are in, or what class if you have particular names. I make that a multiple choice just for ease of use. And well, my class periods start with period 3, so I'm just going to do that for right now. So I'm going to enter in period 3, click to the next one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I teach 8 periods. Now, so it's a multiple choice. You enter in the class names or periods, and then what I do here is I make this a required question, and I click Done. So when you create a form, it gives you 2 sample questions, and you're automatically in the first one to edit it. But the second one here is sitting down here, and it just says sample question 2. If you hover over it, you'll see this kind of pink band appear, and over on the right hand side you'll see the pencil icon, which is the edit button. You see a duplicate, so in case you want a duplicate copy of the question, 2 copies of the same question, or if you want to just delete it. We're going to just go ahead and go into edit. We'll click on the pencil icon, and we're going to change this. I like to collect the last name first, but you do that at your preference. Leave it as a simple text. Again, you make it a required question and click Done. And then to add the next question, you have to go up in the upper left-hand corner where it says Add Item. And you're going to choose the question. It's going to be a text question. So I'm going to choose that. And I'm going to say first name. And then leave it text, make a required question, click Done, and so add item, and again a text. And this one here is going to be the assignment URL. And of course you'll make it a required question and click Done. Once you're done with that, then you need to save it. So up in the right hand corner it says Save. Best way to do this is to go to the live form. So if you look at the very bottom, you'll see a faint blue link, and if you click on that, it puts you into the live form. Once you are in the live form, it's going to look like this. You'll see the URL across the top. You can just click there, press Control-C, or you can right-click and copy, and then you will need to go to your web page. So I'm going to open my web page here, and I'm looking here, and I'm noticing that I am not ready to edit, so I need to click Edit Page. And once I'm in edit mode, I have my text already here, so I'm going to highlight the text. I'm going to choose Link. I need to select Web Address, and I'm going to click in the URL box and Control-V, or I can right click and paste. And I always choose Open this link in a new window, and I click OK. And once it's there, you now have a live link that when you click on it, it will go and open up the form directly. If you make a mistake, you can click Change and repaste it in. And of course, once you've done all this, click Save. And now you have a link here that your students can go to your website and click on Assignment Check-In and turn in the URL to their assignment.